is coming to African Fashion Week London on Sunday. Fumi! I'm going to be modeling for my little beautiful baby sis. Absolutely, I'm here to support. I am actually honored. And I love you to be. I love you more. I love you more. Thank you, sis. You're so welcome. No, honestly, I will. And it's going to be fun. It's going to be. I'm excited. You heard it here first. See you on Sunday, Mama. I love you. Kiss. I'll see you on Sunday. Worth the whole celebrity, the whole everything. I'm honored. I'm humbled. Okay, no problem. Hello, my darlings. How are you? How are we? So this is. I am loving it. Yes. We are modeling today at African Fashion Week for Tote London. Look at Bola, the designer. Look at the team. The models are fabulous. Baby, when I tell you, we're out here. We're going to do the runway. Let me do a quick run through. Hello, Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? It's a new episode today, and it's going to be absolutely fun. Fantastic. You know, creatives are the most interesting people in the world. Absolutely. We really are. They're so much fun. So we're modeling today for Tote London, and I am living and loving. We have all of the models backstage, other fashion designers as well. It is my favorite place to be in the world. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, my name is Fumidesaluvold. You are so very welcome. It's a vlog-a-loops. And we are excited. So we have to go into makeup as well as hair. But I did my hair home, get the chewing gum gone, and we should be good. Okay, I got 30 minutes, I'm so late.
This way, sis. This way. Yeah. This is the world famous Fumidesaluvold. Yeah. We're practicing. Huh? Oh, by the light. I see. Thank you. And then we literally just, and then if you like, you can do one more. Yeah. There we go. That's it. That's how professional. People that we're not very Yes. It does not matter. I'm looking at it. It does not matter. And you're gorgeous. More.
You just bring it to you're fabulous.
Oh, that means everything to me.
Too fabulous.
You don't even know.
I'm even sweating and getting Sorry, I've never been like this.
It is so nice to be. This is what I like when I'm with my people. It's another language that I don't have to speak. We get each other. You're home. You know, that sense of home, and we can kick you and we can laugh and we can just be relaxed. There's nothing like it. Thank you for the hospitality. You don't want to make me cry.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Lots of love. So Michael, smile, say hi. You're looking gorgeous, my darlings. All the fashionistas are here. I live and love.
With one of the fashionistas,
Fumination. Oh my God. Darling, you look gorgeous. Look at you. Turn around, let me see. Woo! Beautiful. Are you living and loving? And then let me show you my bag, of which I will be carrying. I don't know whether, do you want me to carry it like this, or do you want me to carry it like this?
Maybe as much as possible so that
Like that.
You know what? I'm going to give you 2 bags so that you
Okay, that's it, baby. Are we living and loving? So, darling, Tote London, the best leather bags ever. You will see me carrying them all over New York, Milan, Paris, yes, and in London. And he's just so super talented, super good quality. And just look, the purse is attached to the tote. Huh? Yes, ma'am.
Let's see how you can.
Okay, perfect. I live and love. Yeah? Yes?
Should be better than no, I just want it to be obvious that it's close.
That's it. And then maybe.
Or do you want to wear one and sling?
Huh?
You need one and sling.
Yes. You can do a crossbody while I'm holding.
Please, there's a chain in it.
That works. So guys, this is my final look for the runway. I have 3 bags, 1 here, 1 tote, and then a crossbody. And I've got long, beautiful earrings. I think the accessories are fantastic. I am loving this. So we are ready. And then I have tractions under my shoes. So that way, when I walk, I will fall. So I think I'm going to go very slowly so that I don't fall. So let's practice. What do we think, my darling?
Fantastic.
Thank you, baby. Woo-hoo. We got it.
Guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking here.
The value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible, even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then like this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and yeah, it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.